So what if Samsung decided to follow up on its Ultra phone with an Ultra laptop, but then fix the shortcomings of the rest in the process? So Samsung has been doing laptops for quite some time, and we've praised them for their bold and sleek designs, powerful internals, Galaxy ecosystem integrations, and just in a variety for you to pick from conventional to extravagant with full Wacom S Pen support. The only thing I've been complaining about is that those beautiful OLEDs needed a boost in resolution to go from good to great, and that time has finally come. I'm Jaime Rivera with Pocket Now, and it's time for our hands-on of Samsung's new Galaxy Book 3 series, which just got pretty awesome. Okay, listen, I'm not going to even pretend to cover all the new models Samsung just announced because there are 5. Yes, 5, and in typical Sammy, their names are all a huge tongue twister when you try to put them together. So Book 3 and Book 3 Pro, with the latter being crazy, sleek, and gorgeous, then the Book 3 360 and Book 3 Pro 360, which we only got to see the latter actually, and then the cream of the crop, which is the Book 3 Ultra. I told you, tongue twisters, and also apologies for some of the banding or color, as yes, the light was a bit challenging. What you should know is that the entire lineup comes with Intel's new 13th generation processors, more memory, and with batteries that theoretically last longer and charge faster. This Ultra in particular sports the full-blown 45-watt variant of the CPU, up to 32 gigs of RAM, lots of storage, and an NVIDIA RTX 4050 or 4070 GPU that varies depending if you go for the Core i7 or i9, latest Wi-Fi and Bluetooth, etc. Think of this as Samsung's first true pro machine designed for creators, and sure, it's also a gaming machine if you want. Even more important is that Samsung is finally jumping to higher screen sizes, resolutions, and aspect ratios. We're talking a 16-inch AMOLED display at 3K resolution with enhanced color, and yes, it's 16 by 10 for more comfortable experience viewing, match with 120Hz refresh rate. The speakers also got a major boost along with the microphones, but that's something we'll have to test in the real world. Now, as for the fast charging, you get the 76 watt-hour battery charge through USB-C to 55% in just 30 minutes, according to Samsung's claims. And yeah, let's actually talk about those ports while we're at it. 2 Thunderbolt 4 ports, USB Type-A, micro SD, headphone jack, and HDMI 2.0, which, yes, should have been 2.1. The webcam here, along with all the Pro models, just got a boosted 1080p, and Studio Mode also provides the auto framing as you move around. Yes, this is Windows 11 across all the lineup with a lot of Galaxy enhancements, one being instant hotspot, so no need to even access your Galaxy phone to get your computer connected. You get Phone Link to control your phone, Quick Share to pass on your files easily, etc. Heck, there's even Smart Switch to switch from your old Galaxy Book to the new one. And yes, you can also use a Galaxy Tab as a secondary screen like you could before. Now, for those still looking for some S Pen love and the touchscreen on a sleek design, there's the Book 3 Pro 360. It looks similar to the previous generation, but there are a ton of improvements. First of all, yes, a 3K AMOLED display finally making the punch, now with a 16 by 10 aspect ratio, which is the reason you're getting 16 inches diagonal on the same footprint of last year's 15-inch model. Specs include options for a 13th generation Core i5 or i7, RAM can go up to 32 gigs, storage can go up to 1 terabyte, better speakers, and now the advantage of more ports. Just like the Ultra, you got multiple Thunderbolt 4 ports, USB-A, micro SD, and an optional nano SIM, in addition to HDMI 1.4, because let's be real, this is not a gaming machine. I also went a bit crazy over the Book 3 Pro 14 simply because you get most of the same specifications of that 360 and most of the ports and even specs, but then on a smaller form factor. Those of you fans of full-size keyboards with numeric keypads and huge trackpads should go for the larger models. I tend to prefer the smaller variants like this one because you get the full-size keyboard, but then on a more compact form factor. But of course, the good thing is you have so many choices. Availability Availability for these begin on February 17th, and the price points vary depending on what you pick. The Book 3 Pro starts at $1449, and prices go up to $1899 if you go for the 360, and $2399 if you go for the base Ultra. And even if all models are available in graphite, the beige color option is not available for the Ultra. And listen, I scratched the surface with everything we saw. Sadly, 2 hours for a hands-on is not enough for so many products. What I can tell you is that I loved all the 3 models that I saw. I'm seriously considering continuing my transition to DaVinci Resolve and try out that Ultra for my video, so stay tuned for our full review to learn how that goes, because I mean, it looks like if it packs a full punch. But let us know what you think about all the products announced in the comments down below, and while you're at it, follow us on social media and subscribe to our channel for more videos like this one. You can also follow me on my personal handles to see me enjoy new laptops, new phones, and, well, I just can't wait for my review units. Please give this video a thumbs up if you like what you saw. I'm Jaime Rivera. Thanks so much for watching. We'll see you on the next one.